Hi everyone. I've categorized the SAT questions about the quadratics and the parabola and would like to talk about one of these categories. I've also prepared a web page about it. Just visit the website to see all these categories if you are interested. So I'm sure you all know about quadratics and their graphs parabola. My intention is to focus SAT facing parts. Okay. So a quadratic equation has coefficients, as you know. At this example here, x squared's coefficient is a, x's coefficient is b, constant is c. Of course, you can select other letters. When you see a quadratic equation, remember the discriminant formula, okay, which is very important. Delta is equal to b squared minus 4 times a times c. This is a very important formula. We will especially use it when the question asks about the solutions of a given quadratic equation. Okay, uh, the question might be in different forms. It might be asking which of those does not have any solutions, or a single solution, or which of those equations um, touches the x-axis, or which of those have like two real roots, or which of those does not have any real roots. Okay, if the questions are like this, you should have the discriminant formula in mind, and note that we can decide the factors of a given equation most of the time and write it in the form of x plus or minus k times x plus or minus n, as you know, and we should prefer doing it that way. It's We can find the solutions quickly usually, but if you cannot solve it or have difficulty in finding the roots like that, you can always go with the discriminant formula. So it's a guaranteed methodology. So if delta is larger than 0, we have two real solutions, and these solutions are the x-intercepts. The second case is if delta is equal to 0, right? There is only one solution, and that is part of your vertex point. In this case, the x, or the minimum point, minimum value of y. The third case, if the delta is less than 0, no real roots. But this does not mean that you don't have a parabola, right? You see the graph, it just does not have any x-intercepts. This example question is a typical SAT question. Wording may change from time to time, right? What we first do is to write the coefficients clearly. Just here, for example, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 7, right? After you decide those, it's very easy. We just plug them in the delta formula. Here we found delta is equal to minus 68, which is negative, right? And therefore we pick zero real solutions in this case.